Coming into the new room, as you see, you got your living room and your bedroom space over there. This is the updated bathroom area. So you've got this outside, and then inside you've got the sink. Fully updated walk-in shower. Shout out to them for that. And then you know Rio got those floor-to-ceiling windows. So this is your view of the city. It's not a strip view. It's the quick walkthrough for those y'all who don't want to watch the full room tour. Now for all y'all who want to see the room in full, let's check out the video.
Hey, what up, say?
What's going on, everybody? Today we are at the Rio, gonna check out the newly renovated Deluxe King Room in room 1218 on the 12th floor. Let's check it out. Now sometimes this door handle can be a little tough, so you might gotta use some strength, but I guess because we're doing this video, it wanted to be nice. But this is your entryway, walking into the room. If you did have a connecting suite, this would be your door right here to the connector suite, but we don't. And as you can see, if you are familiar with the Rio, the layout is slightly different, because if you look to the right, it does not take you to the bathroom. You've got a separate storage space with a mirror. What up, folks? So change the layout completely. We're gonna get through here. You actually walk into your living room entertainment space. So as you see, you got a couch there, but before we get all the way over there, of course, you know y'all got that full body mirror. So if you need to check yourself out before you hit the strip, you can do so. Here's your entertainment space. Got you a sectional couch. I can see the good number of people. And then directly across from the couch, got a large wall mounted flat screen TV. And you can tell just from the design of the decor, they've definitely updated this. But we're gonna go ahead and move to this side, to the right side, just off of the entryway. And this is actually where your empty mini fridge is. So check this out. You got a double-sided empty mini fridge. So if you want to like store stuff on the door handle, you can do so. And then there's a second door, held the handle like that, it is on this side, so you can store stuff as well. So depending on what you got a couple different sections, and then behind this door is just extra storage. So if you need to store some stuff up, you can do so. And then right above the empty mini fridge is your ice bucket and cups. So let's go check out the bathroom, since it's separated now and not all in one space. So walking into the bathroom area, as you see, you've got your sink and you've got the countertop. I'm trying to slow this down, walking with a little limp real quick, but this is your bathroom. You've got a mirror, you've got a good amount of counter space, and then for those who want to glamify themselves, they got that vanity mirror for you, so you can get you some extra light to be right. Even got that makeup cloth for y'all. So real nice design. I actually like this design. Your closets in the bathroom, so you've got your ironing board, and you've got hangers and a luggage rack. And behind or across from the sink is your in-room safe. So if you need to lock up your valuables, you've got a regular good size space of a safe to lock your stuff up. And then going down, you've got extra storage. Now let's see what we got in the actual shower room. Got a water closet, obviously, with a second sink. So if you need extra sinks and mirrors, you got it in here for sure. Plenty of lighting, but you got a sink in the actual bathroom itself. And then what we all want to see, walk-in shower. As you see, they have completely changed the design of the walk-in shower. I like the gold shower head with the extendable shower head and the tiling all across. Now I'm not fancy or bougie, so I don't know if Nest, which is the brand of the dispensers they have for y'all, I don't know how quality that is, but they got the dispensers there for y'all. I know some people like the dispensers, some people don't. But shout out to Rio for this update. It is no longer a Caesar's property, and as y'all can see from this camera, it is bright outside. So this is the bed space. This is your king size bed. This room is classified as a high floor room. So when you look, you've got the regular rooms, and then you've got the Deluxe Renovated. This is the 12th floor, so they consider it a high floor, but I'll get to the view in a second. This is one thing I like about this room. You've got USB and USB-C. They are up with the times. You've got standard outlet charging port over there. And then you have a drawer here, bedside. So if you need to store some stuff, you got that bedside. You also have the same thing on the other side. I'm not gonna show both so that this tour ain't too crazy, but it's a real nice renovation, as y'all can see. Lamp. Now over here, you actually do have a clock, and on the clock it also has USB-C as well. So there is plenty of charging ports, because where I'm standing at right now, it is not a lot of charging outlets, especially for us content creators. We need those. Now you've got your dining room table with 2 chairs, and then this is your view. This is not a strip view, this is a city view, but floor to ceiling windows, y'all know Rio always got those. You can see palms from this view and the back parts of the city. Super nice view. Very impressed with the reno. So that's gonna do it for this video. If you all enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what up, say?
One time for the hometown, I got love for it, that's real. 2 times for the haters, man, cause I notice how this shit feel. 3 times for my family, dog, cause this shit done paid our bills. And I get 4 times my net worth from a year ago with no deals. Did it all by myself, I don't need nothing. Dropped 100 songs, I'ma keep coming. Remember times they wouldn't reply, now they all hit me like they need something. Labels hit me, now they see something, but I told them all, you ain't seen nothing. I've been putting on the work, and if you ain't sawing with me, you ain't read nothing. All it is, I don't make the calls. Gas it up, shit about to blow, make a million. I got a million flows, I'm a million shit with a million goals. Time ticking, now I hear it, dog. I don't say it, but I seen it all. Seen a post and I seen a hate, so when it hit me now, I ignore the calls. No time for it, just being honest. Way back, I said I got it. Same guy, same shit, nothing changed. Set the pockets, money came, I got the profits. Bet it all, put it on us. In the past, I said I'm next, but I'm here now, I was being modest. 1 time for the hometown, I got love for it, that's real. 2 times for the haters, man, cause I notice how this shit feel. 3 times for my family, dog, cause this shit done paid our bills. And I get 4 times my net worth from a year ago with no deal. 1 time for the hometown, I got love for it, that's real. 2 times for the haters, man, cause I notice how this shit feel. 3 times for my family, dog, cause this shit done paid our bills. And I get 4 times my net worth from a year ago with no deals.